Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our first video intended to be uploaded on a newly launched, on a proposed channel under title Statistical Physics by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay, dear students, statistical physics, actually statistics may be about anything, about any branch of physics. Okay, as statistics are not confined only to thermodynamics or heat energy or thermal physics. Okay, but usually the main contribution in statistical physics is that of thermodynamics or thermal physics. Okay, so statistics is not confined to temperature or heat related data, but mostly statistical physics includes temperature related data, heat related data. Okay, dear students, it is important to mention here that in first half of BS physics we deal with thermodynamics. Okay, but in the second half of BS physics we extend thermodynamics to another similar name called thermal physics. Okay, so statistical physics are in wider sense statistical mechanics is basically not confined to heat or thermodynamics or thermal physics, but mostly we will see in our upcoming video lectures that statistical physics or statistical mechanics mostly deals with heat related problems. Okay, so statistical physics or statistical mechanics is basically a branch of mechanics, but in this branch of mechanics we mostly deal with thermodynamics. Okay, so our course is statistical physics, and most of the books recommended for this course come under the title statistical mechanics. Okay, so now we come towards our main topic, main purpose. That is, the purpose of this video is to introduce books to be followed. Okay, these books have been classified into two categories. First category is that of general physics books, and the second category is about course specific books which cover major course contents. Okay, so let us start. Foundation level contents, that is foundation level chapters. First book, Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane, publisher is Wiley. Its third edition 2012 or fourth edition 2020 will be followed, and we are not concerned with the whole book for the purpose of statistical physics. For the purpose, to the extent of statistical physics or statistical mechanics, we are concerned only with the chapter number 10 of this book. Okay, next book is Modern Physics for Scientists and Engineers by Stephen T. Thornton, Andrew Rex, and Carol E. Hood. Its publisher is Cengage. Its 4th edition 2013 or 5th edition 2021 or probably 2022 will be followed. To the extent of statistical physics or statistical mechanics, we are not concerned with the whole book. We are concerned only with chapter 9 of this book. Okay, chapter 9 of this book. Next book is Concepts of Modern Physics by Arthur Beiser. Publisher is McGraw-Hill. It's 6th edition 2003 and 7th edition 2015 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book. To the extent of statistical physics or statistical mechanics, we are concerned only with chapter 9 of this book. Okay. Next book is Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler, Ralph A. Leviline. Okay, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Okay, its publisher is W.H. Freeman. Its 5th edition 2008 or 6th edition 2012 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book for the purpose of statistical physics or statistical mechanics, and only chapter number 8 is our concerned chapter. Okay. Next book is Modern Physics by Raymond A. Survey, Clement J. Moses, Kurt A. Moyer. Publisher is Thomson. Its 3rd edition 2005 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book. Only chapter number 10 of this book is related to statistical physics or statistical mechanics. Next book is Ahmad A. Kamal, 1000 solved problems in modern physics. Its publisher is Springer, and the edition is that of 2010. We are not concerned with the whole book for the purpose of statistical physics or statistical mechanics, and our concerned chapter is chapter number 4 only. Okay. Now we come towards the subject specific books which cover major contents of this course. Okay. First book is Introductory Statistical Mechanics. Authors are Roger Bowley and Mariana Sanchez. Okay, Sanchez, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Its publisher is Oxford University Press, and its 2nd edition 2000 will be followed. Next book is Thermal and Statistical Physics. Its authors are Harvey Gold and Jan Taboknik. Okay, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Its publisher is Princeton University Press, and the edition is that of 2010. Okay. Next book is Introduction to Statistical Physics. Its author is Carson Hong. Okay. Its publisher is CRC Taylor and Frankis. Its second edition 2010 will be followed. Next book is Thermal Physics by Charles Kittle and Herbert Kroemer. Its publisher is W.H. Freeman, and its 2nd edition 1980 will be followed. Next book is Fundamentals of Statistical and Thermal Physics. Its author is Frederick Reef, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Publisher is Waveland Press, and the edition is that of 2009. Next book is Statistical Mechanics. Authors are Franz Schwabel and William Brewer, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Publisher is Springer, and its 2nd edition 2006 will be followed. Next book is Statistical Mechanics by Raja Kumar Patria. Okay. Its publisher is Butterworth and Hahnemann. Okay, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Its 2nd edition 1996 will be followed. Next book is Statistical Physics of Particles. Its author is Mehran Kardar. Publisher is Cambridge University Press, and the edition is that of 2007. Next book is Modern Thermodynamics with Statistical Mechanics. Author is Carl S. Hellrich. Publisher is Springer Verlag Berlin Heidelberg, whatever may be the exact pronunciation, and the edition is that of 2009. And this is the end of our module. Okay.